Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper of your Poco X6 Pro from Xiaomi. To do this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the wallpaper and personalization. Then scroll down, and as you see, we have a few wallpaper to choose, from the editor's picks to the new and the super wallpaper and the system wallpaper. Yep, of course you can go to online wallpaper if you wish and download some wallpaper if you like it. Yep. So for now we're gonna choose some wallpaper, the new wallpaper. Let's take a see how it looks like. Apply, set the home screen. Yeah, we have now our new wallpaper on home screen. You can also choose the wallpaper for your lock screen from here. So let's choose the wallpaper, something like that. Apply, and you can set up this wallpaper for the lock screen. Yep, that's the way it is. And that's it about the wallpaper. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey,